Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A73 5G, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in the toggles you'll find a screen recording one. For me, it's right here in the corner, so once you locate yours, you can either tap on it to immediately start recording it, or you can hold it and this will take you to the settings. So let's just demonstrate what we have in the settings. Now don't worry about the first part, this is just screenshots, so let's scroll down and we'll have a screen recorder. Here we have sound, video quality, selfie, and show taps and touches. Two of these things actually will be visible on the options when we tap to record, so it gives us the sound and the show taps and touches. Additional things that will pop up is the video selfie size, which you can enable, or actually not size, but just enabling it. So what you see right here, you can just choose the size of it. This is the like the circle that you see right here will be the actual size on the screen that will pop up once you enable it. Video quality is already set to the highest, so I don't recommend changing it unless you're really struggling for space on your device, then sure. But 1080p, it's good enough for basically everything. It's like a sweet spot, I would say, so I highly recommend keeping it on that resolution. Now I'm gonna close this and just jump into the toggle, so tap on it. And as you can see, we have the sound, non-media, media, and mic. Now unfortunately we don't have just mic as an example, so I'm gonna stick with media right here. And then we have the, like I said, show taps and touches. I will enable this just so you can see how that looks like on a recording. But basically what it is, it records a semi-transparent dot on a screen wherever your finger was pressing the screen. So it is visible on a screen, or it's trying to imitate your finger on a screen recording. Anyway, let's select start recording. You can skip countdown. And right now whatever I'll do will be obviously recorded. I'm gonna move my finger just a little bit so it's visible on the recording, that dot. I'll play it back later on. Now quickly going into the options right here, like I said, there's the selfie. You can kind of see me here. We have a pen, just allows you to draw on the screen. And we have pause and stop option. I'm gonna just simply stop it right now. This will save the screen recording to my Photos application, or gallery, whatever it's called, gallery. And in here we can navigate to albums and screen recording. You can see it's kind of cutting out, but at the point it says screen recorder. And in here you'll find only screen recordings. Now it's already playing it back, so I'm just gonna let it play through and you can see it. Now talking about the semi-transparent dot, you can see it right here. That's basically how it looks like. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.